Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look for you guys. I wanted to make it extra dramatic, so this is the look I came up with. I am in love with it. At first I was not really sure because I was just doing the look and I was just like, I'm not really sure how I feel about the color combination. And then after I put my lashes on, my lipstick, you know, the rest of my makeup, I was like, okay, I love this look right now. This is gorgeous. This is just for y'all extra girls, you know what I mean? Like I just love this look. I love this look. So if you want to be extra on Valentine's Day, please, you know, check out the rest of this video. But I hope that you enjoy, and yeah, I'm gonna switch to my voiceover. Bye. Okay, first off we're gonna conceal our eyelids, and then we're going to set it with powder. Now we're gonna go into that spice color and put it in our crease, and we're gonna gradually go up to our brow bone. Now we're going to take that Friday color and we're going to apply that all over our lid with the blending brush, and we're going to go right underneath the crease area. Now we're going to take that same color and we're going to pat it down with a shadow brush to enhance that color. Now we're going to take that color Sunset and apply it to our inner corner of our lid. Now I'm using the blending brush to smooth out the harsh lines from the color I just applied. Now I'm going to apply Connie and apply it to the outer corner of my eye with a smudge shadow brush. Now I'm using my blending brush to blend all the colors together. Now here's the tricky part. I didn't have a certain eyeliner, so I improvised and used concealer to shape out the wing that I wanted. So if you have a white eyeliner or any other eyeliner that you want to do for this look, then I recommend you to use eyeliner. It will make your life so much easier, but I didn't have a certain color I wanted, so I had to do what I had to do. So yeah. Okay, so after doing your wing, now you want to take that concealer and apply it and do like a thin cut crease. Now take the color Fairy Tale and apply it on top of where you put the concealer at. Now we're going to take that Connie color and we're going to split the wing. So I want it to look like it is two lines connecting to make a wing. So now I'm going to take the color Angel and I'm going to apply it and substitute it as a white eyeliner. I didn't have it on hand, so this is what I am doing. So you can take whatever liquid eyeliner and apply it just like how I am doing. Now I didn't have a straight line, so I'm going back in with that Connie color and clean it up a bit to make the wing a little more sharper. Just because I want to be extra, I'm going to go in with that Fairy Tale color and have it connect with the white line. You don't have to be like me, you could just use the white eyeliner to complete the look.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello, doctor.
You aggravating.
That is Trinity Way.
Now I am done with the look, so I'm going to put the rest of my face on and my lashes, and I will be right back. So yeah, this is the finished look, and I hope you like it and you enjoy it. So please, you know, comment, like, and subscribe. And happy Valentine's Day. I hope you're spending it with a loved one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.